Hello everyone, so I'm here with Max on my lunch break as I'm working on my temperature blanket that I'm doing. So this is what I've gotten so far for my temperature blanket. So Max over here is a bird at my work. Those of you who don't know me, my name's Kiara. I work at Mr. Drew's and his Animals Too, where I get to work with animals who's been neglected or the owners passed away and the family didn't know how to take care of them. I teach many people on the importance of research and things like that. But Max here is a bird at my work who has really taken a liking to being with me. He has actually bonded to me. And so I'm the only person who can really touch him, mess with him, and things like that. He now has figured out how to make himself sound like a fire alarm. And so, if he's not getting his attention with me, he will do his fire alarm. And sometimes it drives my coworkers insane. So today I'm like, well, why not take him with me to lunch? And other people have a break from hearing the fire alarm. And he gets to hang out with me and maybe do a video talking about his story. So as you can see, he does not have his top beak. He unfortunately in 2016 lost his top beak to another bird that bit it off. And so he came to us a few years ago because the owner was getting ready to move and didn't want to put him through the stress of the move. But he does really, really well. He eats soft food. He eats special pellets for him to help him be able to eat. He gets sweet potatoes as treats that is mushed up. He'll get applesauce. He loves his applesauce. I crush up nuts, seeds, and things like that for him. And he will eat that. He is very much of a spoiled bird here. And so he's got life good. Unfortunately, there is possibility of a house dialect, but it's not happening for him because it can cause him too much stress and die because he already knows how to eat, how to drink, and things like that without his beak. And so it's kind of pointless to do that stress for him, especially where he's already doing so well. Huh, Max? Is it pointless? Yeah. I know. You goofy bird. You goofy bird. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Alright, you guys. Hope you like this little bit of info of Max. I'll see you guys again soon.